Good morning, guys. It's Monday. It's our last week. I'm really sad about it, but we're going to get some stuff done and hopefully you can enjoy your summer and I will get to see you when the new school year starts. You will be third graders. I know my second grader is nervous about it, but don't be nervous. You'll be fine. So first, let's review with some words. Okay, let's start here. All right, let's tap out this word. Shed. Shed. All right, and don't forget we have to mark our words. It has a digraph, so we put a line under it. All right, let's tap out this word. N. Chin. Oh, you know what? I forgot to mark that word. Has a digraph, so we underline it. All right. Sunk. Sunk. We have a welded sound, so we're going to put a box around it. One more review word. All. Ball. And this is one of those tricky ones to mark. So it's got a welded sound, so we're going to put a box around it, but it also has, remember what's that called? A bonus letter. So we put a star above it. This is hard to do on the computer. There we go. All right. All right, let's do a few new words. There we go. All right. Hung. It's a welded sound and the green card, so we're going to put a box around it. Song. Song. Box around the welded sound. Honk. Honk. Okay, two more. Lung. Lung. Oops. There we go. Last one. Bunk. Bunk. And then we put a box around that. All right, so that's all for today. I want you to practice those. If you need to go back, if you got stumped on any of them, play this video again and tap out the words. Tomorrow or Wednesday, I will be calling you to have you read your sight words and these Wilson words that I will send you. So I hope you have a great day. Bye.